Hello great mind, good day. This is Dominion Tech and today we'll be doing tutorial on how to design this educational flyer using Pixellab. Without wasting much of our time, let's move directly to our design canvas. So I'll be opening Pixellab now and let's show this white. Then the size we are going to use for our design is 1280 by 1400. Click on it, click OK. Then the next is we are going to use gradient background. Go to this, click on this one that is showing now, then click on color, click on gradient. The color you are going to use is this. Click on this mark icon, then click on this middle bar, then click on import. Let's import our reference image. Here is my reference image. Then I'm going to hide and lock it. So the next thing we are going to do now is the test. You can see if I unhide it, you can see we have test. So let's write the test. Go to this icon, click on test, edit, then design. That's the first thing, design. Click OK. Let's centralize it. Click on this relative position, center it. Click OK. Then increase the size. So this click mark. Then the font we are going to use here is Braille. Go to fonts. Then we are going to use the font we are going to use Braille Baby Regular. Click OK. We are going to reduce the size a little bit. So something like this is okay. Then the color we are going to use, we are going to color. This is the color we are going to use. You can use color picker. By using this, you can click this plus icon, click on this icon to be able for you to be able to, so you can click it, then choose the color you want, click OK. But the color we want to use now, sorry, there is a mix up, click on it. The color we want to use is this. Okay, so click OK. Then the next thing now is to make sure you turn on your ruler to align it. So let's align it. Click on the ruler setting, click on this. Then we use 5. Click here. You can click here to check whether your ruler is very aligned. Click it. After clicking it, you can see this is 25. To the left, you are going to use the lower number to the left. Here I'm going to use 5. You can see it's 25. Then to the right, you are going to use the upper. If this one is the maximum number is 100. If the left one is 5, then this one will be 95. Then click on this, then use 95. So you can see the proper position now. Click the setting again. Then let's position it very well. Position it okay. So it's okay like this. Then click the OK. Then the next thing is add another text. Click edit, then E. Then we are going to increase the size of this text and position it. Click relative position it center, then position it very well. Let it go to this direct. So ensure it is well proper position. Click OK. The font we are going to use is popping. So this is the font you are going to use. Let me check, is it popping bold or popping medium for this? I think this one is, let me check. I think bold, this is bold. So bold, we are still using the same family, So popping bold, align it very well. You can see that it's crossing the line now. Align it very well. Make sure the way align, because that's another principle you need to understand and follow. Align it very well. Copy this text. Copy. Then N. That's ARN. Okay. So check it. Click on your ruler setting. Bring it to the below to know whether it is set. So then you are going to reduce the size of this one. Reduce the size of this text to something like this. Reduce it. Sorry, it has crossed. So we're going to reduce it to something like this. But we still need to wait. Let me do something. Let's increase the size. Increase the size like this. move it to the top. Then let's click on this E. Let's increase the size. Increase the size to 177. Okay, let's make sure we position everything properly. Then we need to reset the ruler again. Click. So let's position it properly. So I think with this is okay. Then the next thing we need to do, let's bring both of them to the top, the E and the N to the top a little bit. Click on your layer panel. Remember I told you the earlier to move two things at once. Just click on this thing like calculator, then choose the one you want to move. Then the one with pencil, click this one, then move them to the top a bit. Okay, so let's check our reference image. So our reference image, I think we are still on the way. So we are on the way. So the next thing now, I want you to bring out the shape. So bring out the shape, click OK. The shape, go to the shape plate, resize it. We are going to use that for test. Resize it to something like this. Something, just go and check the size. Something like we need to reduce the height. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me check them. Let's position it to check. Is the size okay? Like, I think this one is too small. Let's position it very well. I'm doing it fast because I don't want to waste much of our time. Then let's copy these tests. Copy it. Copy. It's not copy yet. Copy. Then edit and capital A. Then we are going to reduce the color to black. Then reduce it to the lowest. Reduce it to something like 24. Then let's position it properly. So position it properly. I think we are good to go. I think the design is coming up little by little. So the next thing now we are going to do is to bring out another shape. You need to lock all these ones so that it won't disturb you. Lock them. You can see if you move it and it won't go. Then bring out the shape. The shape you are going to bring out this time around. You are going to the size just like this. Okay. So I think the size is too big. Okay, this is okay. Click on the mark. Then bring it down a bit. Is this not too much? Let's check our reference image. Oh, it's too much. So position it, bring it up a little. So it's okay. The next thing now we are going to do is to bring out some gradient. But before that, you need to write this. You can see with your smartphone. So let's bring that the test. Copy. You can click on your layer panel. Remember your layer panel here is your layer panel. So always remember it. If you want to open, you click. If you want to take it away, close it, you click again. So open your layer panel, click on the and I have clicked again, close your layer panel, then go to test. You can see there's no way you can edit the test here. So click on this A icon to edit it, then copy. Then with your smartphone, capital with your smartphone. Okay, so bring it to the top of this. Let's position it very well. Okay, I think let's check the reference image. I think there is, let me check out the test. Okay. So let me check, is this font open board? Sorry. So the next thing now, let's bring out a gradient. Go to shape, click on that shape icon, click on shape. You know what you want to do this time around. Before, go to gradient, click on gradient. Then what you want to do now is click on any of it, then go to this black, click on this black, click on this, then color picker. You can see now what you can see, this color. Do you see this color? So this is the color we are going to use. Just drag it here to bring out the color. You can just bring it here a little. So this is the color we are going to use. You can just change it directly for this one to be at the ground. Then click on this white. You can drag it, then lower the opacity. Finally, you can see how it's shown now. Then click OK. You can see how it's shown. Then the next thing now, reduce it you can see reduce it to the lowest. Make sure it is the same size. Reduce it to the lowest. Reduce it to the lowest, but you need to set the color very well. Set the color. Make sure the color is well set. Let's check it. You can see that it's not yet set. It's not yet set. You can just, if you want to redo, you can just click the gradient again. You can see how the gradient is. Then click on this black. Let's just change this black color. The black, you are going to click here, bring it to the lower opacity, click this white, then change it with your color picker. Choose this color, you can bring it here a little bit. So here's what you are going to use. Here's what you are going to use. Also, lower the opacity of this one a little bit. Just something like this. Okay, I think we are good to go. So I'm going to place it on top of this. Click OK. It's not aligned yet. Click on it, then set it. Make sure it is aligned. Make sure it is aligned. So you can see how it is now. Then copy it. Copy. Let's quickly click on relative position. Center it. Move it to the middle. Then you can use your position to move it to that position. Move it to that position. But let me check how this is. Okay, this one is deeper. Let's make it deep a little bit. Go back to the edit. Click on edit. Then go to that color. Then let's increase the opacity. I think it's okay like this. Click OK. Then this one also apply the same thing. You don't need to go and edit again. If you change any color, it will appear. You can see this is the last one. Just click it. So it is applied. Then the next thing we want to do now is, if you see this very well, you can see it's having some blending at the top. So let's lock this one onto the top. Lock all this one. So let's just copy one of them. Sorry, we have locked it. Copy one of them. Copy. Then go to edit. What you want to do this time around is just want to blend. And what you want to do is to blend. You want to blend color to it. Just you can do it in two ways. Either you use this gradient, or you can lower the opacity of this one. Lower the opacity to final, then go to stroke. You can see your stroke. Then increase the blur radius of your stroke. Then choose that color. Choose the color. So click on the mark. Then reduce it. If you see this one now, if you see this one, you can see that it's just a little bit. They lower the opacity. So click on this one. Lower the opacity. Do it like this, something like this. Then go to opacity. Lower the opacity like this. Then make sure it is at the back of that text. Click on it. You can see. Then drag it. So it's at the back. It's not at the back yet. What I want is that it should be at the back of the hand. Drag it to the back of the hand. Or you can just do, you can just leave this one. You can just leave it, then drag this end to the top. If you drag it to the top, you can see that is at the top. Then we are doing the size a bit. You can see, just reduce the size. It just fits. You can see this one is okay. It's okay like this. Like I said earlier, you can use the gradient of the field one instead, but I just used another method. Then the next thing I want to do is to bring out another test. Click here, test. The test we want to use now is I think I have copied. You don't need a laptop. Okay, here's the test we want to use. Okay. Then we need to reduce it. Reduce the test. The font you are going to use here now is this font. You are going to use Poppy Medium. Poppy Medium is okay. So if you notice, we are still using the same family of fonts. We don't use different up to maybe 5 fonts or 4 fonts. So you need to maintain the font you are using. You don't just use different fonts always. Maintain the font you are using. That's the principle you need to understand. You don't change fonts every time. So let's reduce it. Space is too much. Line spacing. Go to line spacing. Reduce the line spacing to something like this. Then align it. Make sure it is well aligned. Align it to something. like go to alignment, make sure it is well aligned. Let's make it to the left. I think it's okay like this. Let me check. Okay, we are still okay with this. So let's position it very well. Reduce it, position, make sure it is aligned. So click OK. Then the next thing we want to do now is to bring out a shape. If you see the reference image, you can see there is a shape. So we are going to bring out a shape, and this time around we are going to do something. Bring out a shape. Go to this shape layer bar, click on shape. Then we are going to have something like this. You want to have something like this, is okay. Click on the mark. But if you notice, let me bring out the reference image. Let me click on it, drag it to the top. So if you check, you can see there is a radius. It has a radius below. It. So what you are going to do is to match. Let's match together. That's what you are going to do. You are going to match together. You hide it. After hiding it, then let's match together. We are going to draw another. Copy this bit. Then position. This time around, this is what you are going to do. Go to relative position it, align it center. Firstly, click on this. After that, then click on this to align it center. So I click on this to align it center. Then click on the second shape. Same process, so that both will be center. Click at the top one. So this one is at the top now. So click on it. Then what you are going to do, go to edit. You want to edit the shape. Go to this corner radius. Add corner radius to something like this. Something like 20. Let's check it. If you see the this reference, you can see now that it is something like this. Maybe 20 is too much. So let's check it. Something like this is okay. 15 is okay. So you can see that you don't notice maybe there is something radius in it now. What you need to do this time around is to click on the one below. This one below, click on it, then go to eraser. Eraser, you can see if you click on eraser, then increase your, this is where you increase your eraser. This is for hardness. If you want it to just clear it, you don't want it to clear it clearly, but this time around we want it clearly, so just increase the size of the eraser a bit. Then let's clear this side. You can see now, if you clear it, let's see what happens. Okay, the mark, you can you see what is happening now? Can you see what is happening? So go to what you want to do now is to merge both of them. Click on your layer. Remember I told you this icon below that is showing the calculator, click on it. Then this time around, to merge something together, you need to click this one. So that one is used to merge. Click on the one you want to merge, mark it then merge it together. Click, you can see, okay. You can see both is now merged together. Then you can change it, you can size it or do it the way you want. So this time around, let's bring it back here. I think the design is coming out a bit by bit. So this time around, let's apply color. We are still going to use gradient color. Click on gradient. The color we want to use now is just, let's use this one. Then we can change it. Click on the white. Let's use our color picker. If you don't understand anything, just pause it and replay. Let's use our color picker. Let's use this first. Click on OK. Then the next one, click on this black. So go to your color picker. If you don't understand anything, just message me. I will answer you, I will reply you. Or you can pause and play so that you can understand it. But what you are going to do here, if you check it now, you can see that this one is too much. Just bring this one, drag this one. You can see, drag it here. So just something like this. Make sure. So, but it's too sharp. I want it to blend. Click on that one, light one, reduce it. It's too sharp. Okay, it's too sharp. I think this one is okay now. Then the next thing we need to do is to let's add some stroke, because you can see that both are having the same color, so it won't show it. Go to stroke, behind it. So click on stroke, add something like one. I think one is okay. So you can see it now. Just one is okay. So like this, your design is coming out a bit. Then we are going to bring out another shape. Just let it stick at the top. This one is going to use for the highlights. So don't want it to be too big. Click OK, then change the color to the one you use for design. Click on color. I think we use this color, so but it's too big. It's too big. Okay, it's okay like this. Then the next, what else you're going to write? What you will learn. What you will learn. So we can just copy this text. Oh, we have locked them. Okay, let's copy this one. Copy. Then edit. What you will learn. Capitalize what you will learn. Yes, it's good to add color to highlight. And let's change the font. The color first to black. Black. Then I think we are still going to use the same font you're using. Let's use bold this time around. Copy bold. Just notice that I'm still using some fonts you are using. So don't just be changing your text using different type of text on one design. So if you check now, I think we are still on the way. Or even this text, you can still use this font. You can still use the medium, open medium. You can see. I think let's use open medium. Let's use the medium. Then let's copy this text. Copy, edit. Then let's add our text, our main text of the course. So I have copied it. Here is the text. Then I'm going to bring it here, reduce the size. After reducing it, you see, increase the line space. Increase the line space. So you can see I have increased the line space. Increase the line space. Okay, I think our design is coming up. So like this. Then the next thing now is to come to this tool, click on that middle bar. Then you can see it's not showing either you can add shape or anything because you have clicked on something here. Let's click on this pen, click on this the empty space, click anywhere here, you can see it just show. Click it now, you can see it show. Then click on Bezier. Bezier, remember I told you in the introduction the usefulness of Bezier, but here we want to use it now. Click on this one, this middle one, so that you can direct it the way you want. Direct it the way you want. So I want it like this. I want it like this. So let's click on this one to add another loop. Click, drag it here, then bring it here. I just want it to blue so that I can add it. You can see if you add color now, let's check. If you add any color now, the color is still going to apply to the line alone because there is no way you can fill. You can see even though it's not showing fill color now, but if you click on this loop, this one, it will connect it together. It's telling me, that means you are telling me that you want it to connect so that you can add color inside. So let's click on it. You can see here, if you see here, it's looped them together. It's looped them together. Then you can see the fill color is now out. Okay. So the color you want to use now is more like white, but it's not going. We are going to reduce it to something like this. Okay, I think something like this is okay. Then if you want to edit that Bezier tool again, what you use Bezier to do, just you can see the edit here. Just click on it. Now I want to remove the stroke. I don't want stroke. Go down, reduce the stroke, then click the map. So now we are going to reduce. I just want it here like this. Let it go to the back. Okay, I think it's okay like this. You can rotate it if you want. You can rotate it like this. Rotate, you can see. But I think it's okay like this. Click on this mark. Then the next thing, before we even bring our image, you can bring your image either. But let's draw a shape. Click on this shape. You can see there's no. Let's lock this Bezier. Just lock everything not to destroy your work. Because if you have mistakenly anything can destroy. So click on this. Then let's go to shape. Now we want to use more shape. Here we want to use more shape. Shape to something like this. Then increase the radius to something like this. I want the radius to something like this. Click OK. This is not too big. Oh, okay, something like this is okay. So we are going to change. If you check very well, let's check. You can see the color now. Though we are still going to increase the size. So let's increase the size. Then increase it. So we are still going to add another one. Let's copy this one. Copy. Make it now. Ensure it is aligned. You can see the left. That's why I asked you to use the ruler the other time. You can see it now. Ensure it is aligned. So let's check. Oh, sorry, the Bezier is still not locked. So the next thing now is you can see the access fee. This is the same thing. You don't need to just be wasting your time. You can just copy this one again. Copy. Then you can now reduce and place it on top of it. But you can see the color we are going to use is still the color we use for this test. Add color. Then this is the color we are going to use for the access fee. I want to increase it, so reduce it a bit, but I think the radius is now too much. You can just reduce the radius, come to edit. If you want to reduce the radius, let's change it to something like 50. So we edit again. Don't mind me if I'm too rushed. I just want it to be quick. So let me show you the line. Then you can copy it, bring it to this one. For this one, I think it's going to be something like this. Align it and reduce it a bit. So what is the text you're going to add? Sorry. The text you're going to add now is access fee and this first Android then access fee. Let's just copy this. Okay, I blocked it. If I add another text, access fee, reduce the size, position it well, change the font. Here's this one, so change the font, popping code, switching the color to black, then reduce it, so position it well, sorry, that's too much, it's too big, just want it just to be small. We are still going to change so you can see it now. Okay, let's reduce the radius of this. The radius is too much, something like 30 is okay, please. 30 or 30, 35, let's use 35. I don't want it to be too much, so we can now increase it. Okay, I think it's coming up now. Then you can just delete this and copy this one instead of editing it. Copy, bring it here, then position it very well. So let it be at the back of this one. Okay, so let's increase this one. You can just increase the size here. You can see you can increase the size of your shape here. Also, all this one, the radius is too much. Please bear with me, I just want this thing to be lively. I want it to be lively, not just serial. So let's reduce this one. It's then bring it. The reason why the radius seems to be changing is because the way if you drag it will change. So that's the reason. I think you can still reduce it to 30. Reduce the size, then increase it a bit. Okay, position it very well. The next thing now is, what is the test? First 100 people. That's first 100 people. So copy this one, then edit first 100 people. Okay. Then we are going to change the font. Let's change the size. Position it well. Then you can now click on this one, change the color. Let's change the color. To change the color, click on this color picker. You can see here is the color we use. Okay, so then the background color, we are going to change it also. Click on color, here is the color we use. I think the color is gradient. So we use gradient, so let's click on this gradient. Still the same that we use, the same we use for the other shape. It's still the same color we use for this shape, so just apply it. Okay, like this. Then we change this color for this text to white. I think white will be okay. If you check white will be okay because there must be a color contrast. So this one, what are the tests? 100, okay. So we haven't changed this color though. Sorry, 5,000. Yeah. So let's change this color first. Click on it, change the color. Click on this color we are using since. Then click on the smallest one, change it to white. Then this one is the test here. What is the test? Okay, 5,000. Yeah. Copy this test. Copy. Then edit. Use my right hand. Use my 5,000. Then position it. Relative position. Click this too. Then click on this one to bring it to the bottom. Bring it to the top. Here we are going to use paper. Because this is the place we just change fonts. Here we are increase the size. Paper's regular. So you can see it now. It is. So let's position it very well. Then increase the size. Increase the size. Then position it. Make sure it is well positioned. The next thing we want to do, let's off our ruler. Let's now create another shape. It's not yet positioned well. Okay. Next thing we want to do now is create a ruler. Sorry, something that we stroke, just strike. Let's copy our shape. Copy the shape, or you can create. No, let me create another shape. Here is the shape. Let me reduce it. Just to be on top of it. So we want to do delete now. Delete. Let me do it like this. Click OK. Then change the color to this same red you use. Change the color to this one. So position it here. You can see that it's showing as if it is gradient. Let me check. We add color and we add. I think it's because I have lowered it from this place. That's the reason. So you can just reduce it now. Yeah. Okay, you can see it now that it's coming. Stroke it like this. Then the next thing, let's add what is it next? Free. This one is free. If you like, you can still reduce the size of this one. You can just reduce it. So free. Let's copy this text. Copy. It's not yet copy. Edit. Free. Then let's do relative position it. I'll take it to the left. I'm doing it fast now because of our time. We have this much time. Then increase the size. Then change the color hue to white. Change it to white. I think it's okay like this. So the next thing, click on this. Then import the image you want to use. This is the image you want to use. Then you can bring it here. Then bring it something here. Reduce the size. But wait, let me give you this trick. Let me show you this trick. Before we move further. You can see that if we reduce this size now, let's now copy this image and we reduce the size. If you notice there's a bit difference, you can see it will be clear more than if you can't just let me delete this one. So let's try this one again. If you resize or do anything in it, let's copy it. Let me bring it, do it like this so that we can see it. Let me copy it. If you see the difference, you can see that this one is more clearer than that one. That is, if you resize anything, don't use the one you resize, just copy it and use the one you copy. So use the one you copy. That's another trick you need to understand in Pixellab. So this one I have resized, let me copy it, then delete this one. I cannot use this one. Then take it to the back. Move to the back. Something like this. Okay, let's check. Is it okay? I think it's okay. So let's hide it. Something like this. Maybe I should increase it a bit. Okay, something like this is okay. So the next thing we want to do now is import this money. Click on import and here is it. So I'm going to import it. Let's cut it. We only need this one. So import it. So you can just do it like this. And just do it like this. So just bring it like this. You can curve it, reduce it, make it to something like this, somewhere like this. I think I should rotate it like this. So then change the opacity. Reduce the opacity to something like this. Wait, it's not okay. Let me do it like this. Okay. So with this, you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and if this is helpful, you can be expecting more tutorial. Just share, like, and don't hesitate to subscribe. Just subscribe. Be expecting more. So just save your image, save it,